Unboxing the soldering iron stand. Inside the box, the assemble manual is given. Zooming lens with light stand. Assemble the given pieces by using the manual. First, connect the mini metal rod to the zooming lens stand horizontally. And then connect the crocodile clip to the horizontally connected mini rod. Then connect the soldering iron stand. Put the battery in the battery holder. Soldering iron is perfectly fitted to the soldering iron stand. The zooming lens is very nice to see the circuit. The LED light also very nice.